Alright, today we're at the Quaker Steak and Lube in Clearwater at the Bugfest. There are quite a few cool little V-dubs here. Like this guy. Here's another real clean little guy. A really clean little guy here, but the surprise is in the back end of it, because
all the adults, they're like they're getting sand up in front.
like Detroit iron, you can never have too many carburetors. We're really cherry and updated little Manx here. And because it's difficult to hear music over a VW engine. Neat cars. This is the body I always dug. I always thought they were just neat looking. Can't say I like that fake patina, but the car is just cool. Jeez, this little guy is clean.
Looking up everything. Best way to drill a hole into it. What drill material should I use? And it goes through tape. Tape for what? Like a layer of tape. I've heard that. Yeah. Never
Really pretty paint here. Here's a little surprise in this one you don't see every day. Oops. I don't like these things too much after they redid the front end on them, but man, this is one clean little car. I really like the chop on this thing. It looks sharp. Clean, 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 clean. Little, nice 4-passenger buggy with a little extra punch in it here. And whoops. Isn't that special? And here's one with some real punch in it. Cool. It's been a long time since I've seen one of these.
Yeah, with the sticker.
Hey, we got a spot for you. So, yeah, I spent a couple weeks over there diving and doing some coral reef research. And had a good visit. But, yeah, about 2-3 weeks. So, yeah, I had to make it today. I had been in for a while. So, yeah.